Stick out your tongue. Is it white or is it pink? If it's white, your body might not be as healthy as you thought. A healthy tongue should look pink and covered with papillae, small nodules that are on the surface of the tongue and have a rough texture to them. If you're not seeing this, you might be observing symptoms of fungus infection, dehydration, infections of all sorts, and other conditions that you should be paying close attention to fixing before it's too late. So in today's video, I'll reveal 5 natural treatments for white tongues you should follow to stay healthy naturally and effectively. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. In this channel, as a conventional doctor, treat my patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to see notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need a line of quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandivar.com and stay till the end of this video. I'm going to share some tips and video links related to this topic. What does having a white tongue actually mean? That's a great question, since many of us might have it. When your tongue appears white, this usually means that there is food debris, bacteria, and dead cells that have been lodged between inflamed papillae. Having a white tongue is usually harmless and sometimes temporary, but it can also be an indication of an infection or other serious health conditions. In many instances, it could be the result of a yeast infection, congenital heart disease, watch out for that one, reaction to certain medications, antibiotics, and poor hygiene, or many other causes. Now, how do we fix it? How can we make our tongues back pink again? So in today's video, I'm going to reveal 5 treatments for a white tongue you should follow to stay healthy naturally and effectively. Number 1, you need probiotics. Individuals who have white tongues don't really know that this could be a sign of an imbalance of healthy bacteria inside our gut. This imbalance, which by the way is quite common today due to the residual antibiotics found in all our foods of all sorts, can lead to oral thrush and the whitening of the tongue coating. Now don't worry, because there's still something you can do about it. Taking a probiotic supplement and eating probiotic healthy foods helps balance the bacteria in your gut and treat these health conditions related to Candida. Several studies have suggested that probiotics can be beneficial for oral health purposes, specifically because they inhibit the adhesion of unwanted microbes to our tongues. You see, probiotic bacteria seem to affect both oral and in digestive microbiota and immune responses. That's why taking probiotics today has been such a good relief for people suffering from inflammation and all sorts of overgrowth bacteria, white tongues, and other conditions, all sorts of conditions. If you need something effective for this purpose, look for Probillion, D-berry, and D-enzymes from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 2, it could be a yeast infection. Oral thrush, as it's called, happens when a yeast infection develops inside our mouth. Doctors refer to it as oral candidiasis, or oropharyngeal candidiasis, or simply thrush. This health condition causes white or yellowish bumps to form inside your cheeks and tongue. A real problem if you want to get rid of it right away. You see, Candida is a pain in the neck once you get infected. It's a fungus that is hard to eliminate if you don't have the proper tools. And in case you didn't know already, the digestive system that we have is full of bacteria, most of it healthy bacteria that helps digest our food, produce vitamins, absorb nutrients, and even keep us healthy. So we need them. Now, Candida is an unwanted fungus that is limited by the growth of healthy bacteria. That's why they help. This explains why antibiotic use many times destroys our healthy probiotic flora inside our body and lets Candida overgrow, creating this annoying condition called Candidiasis. Many of you watching this video might have used antibiotics at some point and see after that a white tongue, or see Candida explode and create an infection right after antibiotic use. Very important. Now, there are other things that also make Candida explode. Don't forget that poor immune function is one of them. Consuming damaging ingredients in your foods is another. And obviously, having an inflammatory diet, processed goods, etc. All something that is crucial for you to watch out for. If you need something effective, very effective against Candida and a candidiasis, look for Candifens from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 3, use baking soda. One of the many uses of baking soda is its ability to exfoliate our tongues and remove toxic residues that are causing a white tongue. Baking soda is an alkaline substance that can help maintain a good pH level in our mouth by neutralizing acids. Plus, research is showing that using baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, by the way, possesses substantial inhibitory activities against Streptococcus mutans in saliva and in plaque. So, I mean, better than baking soda, impossible. Now, the exposure to baking soda causes a significant reduce and decrease in the number of bacterial cells in our mouth, as research suggests, and obviously also a white tongue that might be caused by bacteria or a candida infection. The best part is the only thing you need to do is use some water, a cup of water, and just a little bit of baking soda in that water, stir it, and use it as a mouthwash. That's all you need. Number 4, use aloe vera. Aloe vera is a very powerful plant used for many things. One of them is regenerating tissue inside our body that has been compromised by debris and tissue damage. Now you see, aloe vera has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, which are some of the reasons why it can be used to heal infections, wounds, burns, and skin irritations. And it works. This plant also specifically contains enzymes that helps remove dead cells and promotes the regeneration of skin tissue. Now, to remove that white coating of your tongue, simply swish some of that tablespoon with aloe vera juice on your mouth 2 to 3 times a day and see that coating disappear in a matter of weeks. Just so you have an idea, it's been reported that aloe vera gel increases the levels of hyaluronic acid and determitin sulfate, which is a tissue that our tissue needs for healing wounds. So tissue regeneration, angiogenesis is also essential for providing oxygen to metabolites in the tissue, and obviously aloe vera can help. Number 5, tongue scapping. One of the most important things you can do to prevent and treat a white tongue is maintain proper oral hygiene, which obviously you can't forget that it's so important if you're looking to clean that tongue. My advice to you is the following. Make sure to brush your teeth and gums at least twice a day after every meal if possible. And the other thing you should be doing is called tongue scraping, which is another practice used in Ayurvedic medicine, a medicine from India. This practice removes excessive growth of bacteria, debris, dead skin cells from your tongue, and cures the problem. Tongue scraping can help you get rid of that white tongue and improve the smell of your breath as well. Very helpful. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Periodontology found that a tongue scraper performed better than a toothbrush in reducing the production of volatile sulfur compounds that cause bad breath in oral hygiene issues. So now you know. Make sure that you have a good hygiene. Make sure to use some of the supplements mentioned in this video, and it will help enormously. And help out the channel by giving us a thumbs up and share with your friends, family. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below, and I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or an online appointment, visit drlandivar.com and check out these other videos which are stopping about information that might prevent those serious health conditions in the future. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon.